So, this is my Mark V Golf GTI that I am struggling to keep up the work on because of time and everything, but we're here today. I need to get this car back on all four wheels because I want to get it on the front so I can start doing the welding on the sills, which is just over here. If you haven't seen all the other videos to get you up to date, we have holes in the sills. I need to get these welded. So I need the car away from here because down the side there, no room. So while I've been off camera, I've done a little bit of work. I've put the subframe back in on the front. So we've got the subframe in. Rich sorted that out for me. Well, they actually gave me a new one because mine was totally broke because the bolt snapped. I put the new anti-roll bar on, so that's all on. We got new rack ends and rack arms, so they're on. So over here now, I'm going to be cleaning up the hubs. I'm not sure on the wheel bearings yet. Feels like there's a bit of play in them, so I will be changing them, I think, at some point. They are wobbling a bit, so I'm not looking forward to trying to undo them bolts. These are minging, these are. I don't know if I get a hammer all the bits off of it. I think that's the best bet. Hammer all the loose stuff off. So any loose bits I'm just going to knock off because we don't want them on for when I treat it. This bit's a bit boring, so we're going to get this done. This takes a lot of time, so it's probably going to take me about an hour or two just to clean these up. So that's what we're going to do. And then once that's done, I've got new ABS sensors to go in, which Abby just went to pick up, so we could clean up the holes and pop them in. And then I can start building up the struts and hopefully get these on there. That's the plan. But like always, nothing ever goes to plan. So let's cut to it when these are clean. Right, so I've been cracking on here. I've cleaned up this, cleaned up the hub, and got it all sprayed. New struts now on. We've got new top mounting bearing. We've got the new brake lining. I just need to figure out where that's going to be routed in a bit. I am missing a clamp off here that holds the brake line, so I have to figure something out for that. But as for now, I'm just going to tighten up these top ones and start building this side up, and then we'll be on to the other side then. And then pretty much I could put the four wheels on and move it. So we're not far away. Are we, Luke?
No, I'm not.
Look at him hiding, he's a pussy. Get in a video. Bless him. Lovely. Oh! I took my wrist with it. That wasn't meant to happen. Huh? Say hi? No. Your breath stinks, mate.
You got brush on.
Jack it up on this. There, yeah. So it lifts this up. Wait there. Go on. That's it. That's it. Stay there. Yeah, that should do it. Right, I have to do this on the ratchet because it's gone tight. So we've got a new heat shield for the disc. Is it heat shield? No, not heat shield. It's a guard. Stops stuff from hitting the back of the disc, I think. So we're going to pop that on. I think that's the right way. Or is it that way? No, it's not going to be that way. It's going to be that way, isn't it? I think this is the wrong one. I think that's the other side.
I think we've got a bit angle in there.
So you got a better angle than me.
Yeah,
it's alright, Luke, I got another 3 cameras if you want one. Fucking Armstrong. I just can't see because you're in my fucking way.
you know.
All the way through, I don't even know. I think think so. Right, I'll go in there. I'll go in here. Not moving. Oh, fucking hell, you're doing it, that. This ain't the best wet workwear, I'm not going to lie. Because my arms are getting shredded up by rust. Doesn't fit. The backing plate's too small for this disc. They give me the wrong backing discs. Or that disc's wrong. These are too small. I'll have to run it without them.
Tell them what you're doing now, Andy.
I am putting the brakes on, so I've done the discs, caliper carriers, now I'm putting the pads on, and once this is done, I'm pretty much done with this side. I've got to put the anti-roll bar link on. I've got an adjustable one. Huh?
He's enjoyed his job.
A job? It's not my job. I just got bloody copper grease everywhere. All over my nice... Abby, get me some blue roll, please. Darling. Some blue roll, darling.
Andy,
Yo.
look.
You ain't gonna get a much better looking man than that on the screen.
Fucking maybe the screen just cracked.
Won't be daft.
Darling.
Don't get chopsy, woman. I don't want brake grease all over me bloody new calipers. Oh, my copper grease goes bloody everywhere. Right, pop that back through there. There we go. Boom! I need to find the correct size for that to tighten that up. It's looking good, isn't it, Luke?
Actually, it looks really good.
You're proud of me?
Very proud of you.
Proud of my skills. Put the drive shaft in, and then I think we're done. That'll be for me for the day because it's taking me ages to do just that. But there's quite a lot in there. It takes me ages to figure out where everything bloody goes. We got any springs for the calipers? Dude, chuck all that in the wheelie bin. Right guys, the next day. I've been very ill last night. Literally, I pretty much pooed the bed. Not gonna lie, I got the very bad belly. Yeah, my belly is not in a good state today. It's a bit better now, but last night I was up most of the night on the toilet. So I'm gonna plod along now and do this side. All three wheels are on now. This back corner is not fully together though, but it's good enough for the wheel to go on. So I'll finish that corner off when the car's over there. But for now I'm going to put this back together and then get the wheel on, pump these tyres up and hopefully push this car out and get it on the front where I'll have a lot more room because this is just like no room down here, it's no good. That's the plan. Just farted. It's a good job. I feel a little bit better, otherwise I would have pooed myself. Oh man, right, let's crack on. So what I'm doing here, I am putting the braided brake line on. Just a nicer brake line really, looks better as well. And it's a bit more better on the performance for the braking. I need to get this old one off. So I need to pull this clip out and then just try and be careful because I don't want to twist the actual line. So if I try and undo that, it'll twist the whole line and snap the line basically. So I need to twist this piece. That's what I did on the other side, so that's what I'm going to do. Just trying to get this clip off, it's hard. I'm covered in shit here. Hammer. Oh, God. It's too warm for this. Too warm for this life. No. Why am I struggling so much? Why do I feel so weak? Can't be arsed. Two I'll have to do for now because I haven't got a spare one. I'll do for now. Slow and steady wins the race. Give these a little spray, make them look new-ish. They didn't send me any new ones of these, so there's nothing wrong with these. They're just a bit rusty, so I just wire brush them and spray them with black just to make them look a bit neater. This side's nearly together now. I've just got a bolt on the ANSI roll bar link, and we should be good. Oh, for fuck's sake, there's no room down here, man. Can't swing a cat down here. Fucking 6 foot, mate, and I'm stuck in this corner. Pissing me off. Can't wait to get this car out of here. I'm sick of being cramped down here.
Smile.
That's making me angry.
Smile.
I'm getting claustrophobic and it's getting me fuming.
Smile.
Huh?
Smile.
No smiling from me today. I scratched me caliper now, thank you. Shit cat.
Smile.
What? What?
Smile.
I'll smile when the car's over there. Tell you what, I need something to go under the front wheel in case it tries to roll forward. I've got a brick. A hammer. Has to go down slowly. Touchdown for the first time. Oh, that was a bit fast. Now to the back. Touchdown! One more wheel. I gotta go through all these bolts, make sure they're all bloody tight. But again, I'll do that over there. Because there's loads of loose bolts on it still, I haven't tightened them up. Grab that axle stand, Babs. Slide it back. Ready? Touchdown. If I haven't bolted something on and it collapses, then it's my bad. I don't, the car looks low. Got the coilovers on in it, so I haven't set them. I think they're wound all the way down. Looks sick, that. Right, it means to pump these tyres up. This one's not on. This wheel's not on properly, but I haven't done the brakes and that this side, so this is just on the hub. So that's not on properly, but as long as I can roll, that's all that matters. Like on that side.
Get that wheel and straighten it. Now, grab that wheel and straighten it. I ain't having you in and out of the car like a yo-yo. Turn it, you're a buff. You don't drive like this.
You fucking mad?
want it, yeah, I do it. I just want it straight. So once it just starts rolling by itself.
Got my handbrake cables out here. Right, I'll turn it inwards now. I'll turn it that way a bit.
Don't worry.
Right,
I'm alright my side.
right, I'll straighten it now. That should be alright then.
That's good. You've got to keep...
So how nice it is to see this thing rolling. You alright that side? Yeah. It rolls a lot easier now than it did before.
Now,
Let's take it out and we'll push it. Oh, it's so much lighter. Like that. Stop for a sec. So I can close it.
what's on here? Where's it going? On there?
Yeah.
Is Dan alright with it on there?
Yeah. No. Stop there, stop there.
You have to clean it.
Alright, bloody hell, I've only just finished rebuilding.
Clean it, it can look a little bit better.
At least if it's this way, no one can see the front of it.
You alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Just get in the front and sort it out where you want it.
So we have now moved the Golf to the front where I have enough room now to finish off the suspension. I've got some work to do on this side here on the back. And then I just got to check everything's tight. Set the suspension on the coilovers, but I'm not doing that just yet. Wait till I got the wings and that because I need obviously something to line it off. But now I should be able to start tackling the rust holes and start prepping the body really. I'll start sanding the boot down, sand down anything that needs sanding. So I'm going to try and wrap the car and we'll get Abby inside here and she can begin scrubbing this thing out, getting rid of everything and cleaning it, which will be a fun job for you, Abby. So that'll be the end of the video. I'm going to go inside now because I'm dying. I literally have no energy today, I feel horrendous. But at least the car's back on all four wheels. That's a big accomplishment just to get to this point because it's taken a long time. So we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.